Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today right now new Makkah restaurant in Ceylon. Okay, it's a very nice place Ceylon as well, and you can see behind new Makkah restaurant, mostly Pakistani, Indian, or some kind of Arabic people also, and Thai people also like to eat on this restaurant. It's a very delicious food here, and I done my order chicken nihari with butter naan. And I'm gonna show you guys how is it, and later I am going to Chinatown as well, so I'm gonna show you Chinatown here. So here is the restaurant. I'm gonna go inside. You see guys, welcome to new Makkah restaurant. Here I am. Today is empty. Today I'm here with it's an honor. His name is Shakil Ahmed. Sorry brother, I forget your name. Okay, he's an honor, and he is actually pro chef. He cooks very nice, very well, and we got some desi things, yogurt, dahi, and zarda, and some kheer, something more sweet desserts, and gajar ka halwa as well. That's really good. And if the Pakistani community living here near on him, then they can buy all the powders, masalas, achars, tea, pink salt, and everything they can bought it from here. Well, I'm gonna show you guys my food is ready, and I'm gonna go to eat.
Ready.
And I suggest to everyone should come and enjoy. Wow, it's a chicken nihari I ordered with a naan, with a plain and butter naan. It's looking so delicious, I think so. Yeah. Well, so finally I arrived Chinatown. Mostly foreigners people are visiting this place because it's a tourist place, especially Chinese people, because of all the Chinese food available here. This place belongs to Chinese people. Okay. Well, it's Shanghai Mansion, Bangkok. It's a Chinese bar or pub. You can say whatever you want to say. It's the tuk-tuk, looking very nice. As you saw my last vlog, previous vlog. So many stalls. You guys can see there's a lot of stalls, food stalls, especially of Chinese food. It's looking really nice. Wow. If you guys here, if anybody is here, so with them eyes, it's so gorgeous, so beautiful, you know how I feel right now. You guys can't imagine. Wow. Well, move on. Well, food starting from here. It's like a noodle. He's making a noodle. Wow. And today is a Friday night, so a lot of crowd here, a lot of people, because it's weekend start. A lot of people around here. Thai people as well, Chinese, Korean, Japanese. It's really mango. Western people as well, man. Just selling some juice and stuff. Whatever we got. A lot of crowd, man. A lot of crowd. It's a very famous place here. Thailand, Chinatown, they calling Yaowarat. mountain of I don't know what is that, starfish or jellyfish, but it's mountain, man. And look at that, huge grill, man, huge grill. Wow. We're gonna start walking. Feeling very good, feeling amazing. The weather is very nice, awesome weather. You see, guys, the weather is very good. I like this weather. Well, I want to try eat something, but it's difficult to. Oh, I mean, look at, guys, what is that?
Well, this is the closest you'll get to being me. Right, it's been me then. What is this all about? What are you doing?
And he's gonna try. He's gonna eat.
Oh, you want video on me?
He's gonna eat, man.
Right on the camera as well. So you just go for it then, yeah?
Let's go do it. Oh wow. How's it taste? It's good.
Chew it for a couple of minutes, it'll taste like bacon.
50-50. Yeah. Man, come on. How he did that, how he eats. Oh my god. It's some like Chinese snack shop. Wow. And he keeps showing. This is a lottery, guys. Like in Thailand here, they are calling lottery. So it's a lottery. If you win, so you got 6 million baht. If you win, the one lottery price is 85 baht and 90 baht. If you win, you got 60 million baht. No, sorry, not 60, 6 million. So it's a durian as well. Fresh mango juice. They are eating actually mango with like this, rice, mango. Like this. They are eating like that. Here they are selling fresh fruit. This is, I don't know what is that. Grapes. Wow. Different kind of fruit. This here one box, 50 baht. Never eaten anything like this. Well guys, this is a Chinatown. I hope you like it. It's a very good place in Thailand whenever you came in Thailand, especially in Bangkok. So don't forget to visit this place. It's a beautiful place. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and sharing the video, like the video, press the button of like.